Today we are going to share with you how your student in Manhattan-Ogden USD 383 can access an online program called iXL. iXL offers students activities in math, reading, science, and social studies. To access this program, you can go to our district website at www.usd383.org. From the district homepage, the students will click on the Student tab at the top. Here you are now in the Student Resources section. We will scroll to the middle of the page and we are going to click on the iXL Blended Learning link. This takes you directly to the iXL Learning link for Manhattan-Ogden Unified School District 383. Again, this online platform supports learning in math, reading, science, and social studies at your students' level and in creative ways. To access this program, the username is going to be the student's first name and last name and their graduation year, the 2 digits of their graduation year. Again, it will be the first 7 letters of their first name and the 7 letters of their last name, followed by their graduation year. Most of it is pre-filled for you, and the other part of that. The password is going to be lowercase letters MAN, followed by their 5-digit lunch number. Again, the password will be the letters MAN, followed by their 5-digit lunch number. Once the students are in the platform, you can navigate around to do different activities. What we suggest is, if this is the first time logging in, is that you go to the Diagnostic tab here at the top. The student would go to the Diagnostic tab. What this allows the system to do is to pre-screen the students' educational levels and skills so that they can build on their skills and not revert to lower skills. We want students in 7th grade to be doing their 7th grade skills or advancing further. This also allows us to diagnose or to see if a student needs additional support in math, that they are at their math level and continue on. So the student would step into the arena where they will go through a series of questions that will help reveal their academic levels. Once that is done, a guided program will be provided for the students and they can begin the learning process. Students can also choose different grade levels and activities in iXL. Students will receive awards for participation and completion of different activities. When students are finished with each one, they should sign out and it will take them back to the beginning login page. So again, this is an opportunity for students in kindergarten through 8th grade in Manhattan-Ogden USD 383 to continue learning in reading, math, science, and social studies when we are not in a traditional school setting.